What is up, friends? We have everyone's favorite series, Fusion Friday. It's the one series where I don't crash out after getting skunked on a pack. So if you like this sort of content, make sure to subscribe, but also to be tuned in for the ETB giveaway at 500 subs.
Great success.
Anyways, let's see what we got for today's Fusion. A Larvesta? I don't trust those hands. There's no way he's allowed near a school zone. This one's gonna be interesting. Ah, boy. Why don't you put those hands away, you pervert?